Ndeewo Unu. Good day, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are. Ana m ekele unu n'ụmụ Igbo. Ihe m chọrọ ikwu taa ihe gbasara egwu ụmụaka, ụmụ agbọghọbịa. Maka agbara m egwu ahụ agba mgbe m dị obere. Anyị na-agba ya na Christmas bụ everybody na-awụli elu, anyị ga-agba egwu. Ndị mama anyị ha na ndị dọrọ anyị mgbe ahụ ha bịa ha mụọ anyị akwa. Anyị na-agba onye isi anyị ejide wesel n'ọnụ ịra na ụmụaka ewere George gba anyị round. Anyị na-agba egwu. I shift from this compound to this compound, and every compound we entered, they must give us money. We will sing. If there's a prominent person, they will use the name to sing. They will dash us money. We are very, very agile, very, in short, very busy children. We call ourselves busy because there's no place you will not see us during the day. There was not too much television to watch. Television then started at 4 o'clock. So we had a lot of time on our hands. So Christmas roll like this. Onye ọbụla anyị ga-agba egwu, abịa na-akpọ ole ndị ga-agba egwu. Abalị ka anyị ji practice so under the moonlight. Your parents must allow you, your mother must allow you to participate. So anyị bịa anyị apụọ n'abalị. Ndị nke nnukwu na-akụziri anyị na-agba, because we look forward to Christmas. Then on Christmas Day, or even a day before Christmas, anyị bido, because I got cover the whole town or the whole village. The 4 branches I got cover. So I bịa jikerecha anyị ma ndị obere size by size, the smallest ones na nọ n'ihu ndị ọzọ nọ. So every compound I bara, anyị gba around bịa gụwara ha. Sometimes someone can aga m echefu aga m agụrụ n'onu ya. Una nọ anyị ụmụaka si n'ụmụ ụwa bịa n'ebe a, anyị bịara ka anyị kelee unu ndeewo. Okay, onye isi anyị gụcha ya ewerezie osi pi ndeewo, pi ndeewo. Well, it's a pity that children of these days are not enjoying those things. And then the best part of it, we always look out for masquerades, because some of them will flog, some were not friendly, some were friendly. So when we hear everybody will take off, we will run in different directions. Then after, when the masquerade had passed or went to another direction, we will come out and then we'll start looking for the smaller ones. Where did you run into? Where, we'll come out. It was beautiful. We enjoyed the fun. Then we'll start going. As we are going, we'll be listening very carefully. Very carefully. If you hear the sound of masquerade, or where they are shouting, something like that, we will dodge. We can run into compounds and hide there. The masquerade will pass. Then we'll come out again and continue our entertainment. And at the end of the day, the senior wants to bring out all the money we made, and they will share it according to age and according to how you performed. But everybody was happy. We were happy. Unfortunately, children these days now, you're not enjoying that. But you can still enjoy it too. And wherever you are, it can be organized for you. You dance, enjoy yourself. Village dance. It was beautiful. I'm not talking of the ones the older maidens used to dance at the village square. That one was very different. Our traditional dance, Uryuku, where they shake their waist. I don't know how to dance that one. But my senior sister can, one of my sisters can dance that one better. I never learned that one. They used to go to the village square to learn to do that. And if you're not that older, then they won't allow you to leave in the night. So, but the one I did, it was fun. It was beautiful. It was beautiful with our hairdo, our usher. I na-agba usher n'ụkwụ. Then nyarakwa ka anyị na-anya n'ụkwụ. Na-agba egwu na cha. No, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Everything harmonized, with our songs, everything, the whistle. It was beautiful. Children, you are missing a lot. But don't worry. You will learn to. You will dance to. Bye-bye. Ndeewo Unu.